Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow. Link will be in the description below. We're going to be unboxing the DJI 4K Mini drone. When I bought it on Amazon, it was $249. It was a while ago, so just wait for the discounts. Currently, as of the upload date, it is $299. So I'll look into the description below and check out the current price of this drone. Seems to be very affordable. Let's get on with the unboxing. Alright, so this drone weighs under 249 grams, making it exempt from the registration requirements in many countries, including the US and the EU. Great for beginners and travelers. Alright, so while I am unboxing, inside the box, obviously the aircraft comes with a flight battery, remote controller, RC cable, 3x3, USB-C, spare propellers, a screwdriver, and manuals. So you guys could, I'm not sure if currently the App Store for Android and Apple is working. If it is not working, this QR code hopefully brings you to the DJI website where you can download it straight from their website onto whichever iOS or Android phone that you have. Let me open this up real quick. Alright, so this features a 1 by 2.3 inch CMOS sensor that records 4K up to 30 frames per second. It has a 3-axis gimbal. Alright, it has an open tape and then a little tab that says open right here. Put this away. Alright. Oof. Look at that. Nice and pretty. Comes with the QR code over here too. Alright. Nice and slim. Looks like it's not trying to break. Okay. That's alright. So there's nothing on here. Put that in the garbage. Take this out. Put it off to the side and see what's in here. Alright, I'm guessing paperwork's in here. Oh, it's the little remote for it. Right. The little remote control, the R, whatever. And there's nothing else inside the box. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. So this is, let's see. It works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro X, made for iPhone. So if you guys want to read what it says in the bag, you guys could pause that right now. Alright, move that right there. Has a 3-axis gimbal with additional electronic image stabilization. It keeps shots smooth and steady throughout. Alright, yep, I was right. Some paperwork. Oh, some poison. Make sure you throw that away. Is this a sticker? Pretty sure it is. DJI Mini quick start guide. Alright, this is going to be useful. Keep that. I'm guessing this is warranty info. Tips to safely fly your drone. Japan flight safety rules. Okay. Alright, trash. What is this? DJI Store app, a must-have app for DJI users. Virtual flight, repair service, managed devices, DJI Academy, specialist support, DJI Care Fresh. And then if you guys want to actually scan that QR code from here just to see where it takes you. And then there's that QR code as well. What is this? Connect with friends, Q&A, tips, and tricks. Scan the QR code, join the community. So this is for the DJI forum. And what is this? This must be the warranty. Safety guidelines. Alright. I don't think anyone wants to read this crap. Yep, no one's going to want to read that. Put that off to the side. right, so this must be the charging cable. 1, 2. I wonder how you connect it. And then there's a type A to type C. What is this? Extra propellers. There's 1, 2, and what is this? Oh, the little screwdriver is in here. All right, and then there's nothing else in these binocular. All right, A, B. Put this off to the side. All right, let me open this up so you guys can see how small this little, it's a Phillips screwdriver, you guys. There you guys go, right there, there. Hopefully you guys could see that. All right, put this off to the side. And here's the little remote control. So you're gonna basically attach, oh, let me open it up first. According to some info that I'm reading, it has impressive flight time and transmission range. Offers up to 31 minutes of flight per battery, giving you plenty of time to get great aerial shots. DJI OcuSync 2.0 technology provides a robust video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. Wind resistance and smart flight features. With wind resistance, okay. Move this off to the side. All right, so this thing has wind resistance of rated at level 5, around 38 kilometers per hour, 24 mph. The Mini 4K handles breezy conditions without wobbling. Includes intelligent features like quick shots, panorama, one tap takeoff, landing, and smart return to home. All right, let me just open this up. All right, so you guys are basically gonna use your phone and put it in here, and you're gonna use your phone as a, I'm recording with my phone, so I can't actually show you guys, but it's gonna trap your phone here and you're gonna use it as the little display. All right. Okay, let's see what it says here. Charge to activate the battery before first time use. Open the cover, press and hold the battery release button and remove the battery. Okay. Whoa, okay. Let me try not to destroy the freaking propellers. All right, and then it opens up. Okay, it opens up that way and like that. Each one comes with 2 propellers, right? Yep. And then there's some legs in the bottom. So let's take this off. It has a little QR code thing here too. I'm just guessing it's like a link to take you straight to the extra propellers in case you need to purchase more. Whoa, okay, so 2 more legs. Okay, so you flip it this way, you guys. Flip it this way, all right? I was trying to open its legs. I would have broken it, okay? I would have broken it. Make sure you guys don't do it if you guys purchase it. All right, and then it looks like the battery goes in here, and you can take it out. And then later on, I'm gonna purchase more batteries and stuff. So that way I could charge them and then quickly reload, replace them. But there you guys go. That's how it goes in. Now, here's the camera right here. Oh, there's more tape right there off to the side. It says, please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. All right, so how do you remove this? Oh, okay. All right, there we go. Ah, look at that gimbal action right there. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So off here on the side, let's see what it says. Ultralight, 249 grams. In case police want to stop you and check the grams on it. Hopefully they actually believe the label right there. Watch them bring out like a little mini scale just to see, is it really 249 grams? Okay, you're safe. You won't go to jail. All right, and all right, that's pretty much it. Let's see, let me put it back. Oh, so, all right, so these little hooks right here off to the side, if you guys could see. So you guys gotta press that in and then hook it. So that's what I'm gonna do, so I don't break this is plastic and I don't know how strong it is. So put it in first and then move it upwards like that. Then how do I click this in? Okay. Ooh, I don't want to break it. Okay. So you just kind of press that in, and then those two little, I don't know what you call them, nipples, they go in, and there you go. All right, let's see what other info I could give you guys on this. All right, so it has quick shots, panorama, one tap takeoff landing, smart return home. It's perfect for beginners. That's why I chose it too. It has digital zoom and photo quality. Offers a digital zoom of 2x at 4K, 3x at 2.7K, and up to 4x at 1080p. It helps ensure capture distant subjects without flying too close. This captures 12 MP stills, perfect for sharp aerial photography. First time friendly and lightweight design. So it's designed for easy portability. I think they all pretty much are, unless they like the really huge ones. With a foldable frame that fits in a bag or even in your palm. Let's check that out. So if it's on my palm, I don't know if it fits in. Some of you might have smaller hands than me, so I'm a bit above average or normal for a male. All right, yeah, it kind of does. Let me close it up. Let me close it up and see how. Oh, you have to do the bottom feet first? Okay, so let's say the camera side is the front side, so the sensors, I believe, are right there. All right, that's the front side. And the front side closes down this way. So first I gotta close its legs, like, twist downwards, okay, downwards towards the stomach of the drone, basically. All right, push it downwards, and then I could close this downward, yep, so towards me, away from the camera. I don't want to break the legs, put a little bit too much force and mess it all up. All right, so USB-C, and I believe that is a micro SD, so you guys could put in your micro SD and record video, and then hopefully you guys have like the little micro SD, or is it SD or micro SD? I don't remember. But yeah, it's pretty small, you guys. Look, I got the whole world in my hands. All right, that's pretty cool. And it comes with a remote and everything. Well, it should, right? But there's another remote that you could purchase separately. It costs a bit, but it has a display on it. Although some people say that it has its pros and cons, I guess, I would say. Now, I'm seeing little like screw holes in there, so I'm pretty sure you could screw something in there, right? Or is it meant to be like that? No, it has threads in it. All right, so that's the bag. These are the propellers. So I have no idea what's supposed to screw onto that. There's nothing else in the box. And here's the charging cables for it. This one has a, let's see, this is to connect to your phone. So one connects to the remote. Let's see right here. Back here. Let's open this up again. And then hopefully you guys could see this back here. All right. Oh no, okay, so it comes with it. So this one is the iPhone one. So this one works for this is the lightning cable. And then, oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. And then you could like kind of plug it in right there for safety to keep it there at all times. And then this part, I believe, actually connects to the remote, and you can replace it depending on which device you have. So this is a Type-C. And you guys can see right there, this actually connects to the remote. Type-C. All right, sweet. That's cool. Freaking technology, you guys. Now, one of these cables is a micro USB to Type-C. So this side goes into the control. This one goes into your guys' old ass phones that you guys still have. All right, and then this one's a Type-C to Type-C. Pretty easy to tell. All right. Extra propellers. That. Manual. QR code. And then the last thing is this. Let's check and see if I was correct. If it was actually a bunch of stickers. Jesus Christ. Yep, it's a bunch of stickers. So if you guys want to advertise for them, you can. All right, there's one sticker. What is this? Fly to the future, enrich your lives. So that's how it looks like, you guys. One of those stickers. Oh, those are different drones. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what this one looks like. Since 2006. Technology company that serves to build better worlds by... Okay, Wayland Butani. If you guys get that reference, you guys are cool. You guys are good in my book. All right, a bunch of stickers, remote, the drone, paperwork, extra propellers. All right, that's pretty much it. That's all the important information. You guys could go on their website. That is www.dji.com. And you guys can check out all their devices and all their drones, because they also do cameras and microphones, which is another video that I'm doing momentarily. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Description will be down below. Any comments, put them down below. What do you want to see? This is just an unboxing video. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching.